Hey everybody, it's William Nairod here, the Paradise Guy, and tonight we're making micheladas. Have you ever had a michelada? A michelada is a spicy beer. They're common all over the world. They're made a little bit differently wherever you may be, Belize, Mexico, America, Canada, and wherever else they are served. I'm sure they're served everywhere. But tonight I'm going to make you my rendition of it, show you how I do it so that you know how to make a Paradise Guy michelada. Now in Mexico, I'm constrained by the ingredients that are available to me. I'm going to show you what I did. First thing I did, I took limes, squeezed them in there, a couple limes. I rimmed the glass with a yummy mix of all of these ingredients. So if you look at that glass right there, you see that it's got a nice rim on it, much like you would do with a margarita. Next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to make sure that, of course, my beer is open. The beer that I'm using tonight is Sol, a very popular Mexican beer, and I'm going to start mixing everything together. Now, one thing I don't have here, hold on just a second. I don't have, there it is. You always gotta have some Lea and Perrins. So I'm gonna start off with some Lea and Perrins sauce. I'm gonna put that in there, 4 drops or so, okay? Next thing I'm gonna put a little tapatio sauce. My guess is that's probably available in your market, so we'll add a little bit of that, okay? Now, what is not available in your market is Mexican habanero sauce. Now I like mine spicy, so maybe you like yours spicy. But there's a little habanero to make it really, really have a kick. Next thing, which I'm sure is available in your market, Cholula. Cholula is a great little hot sauce, not very hot, good flavor. I'm gonna put a little bit of that in there. Okay, we're gonna go down the row here. I'm gonna name all the other things, excuse my dropping that. We've got cayenne pepper. We've got this, another chili piquin sauce. We've got pimento. We've got these two, which are called tarjin, which is lime and chili. And we've got one with habanero and one with regular chilies there. We've got pimento and lime there. We've got a universal seasoning. In your market, you may have something called seasonal. I recommend using that. Got a little garlic powder, got a little onion powder, and of course we have good old salt and pepper. I put that all together on this plate right here. I mixed it all together. I rimmed the glass with it. And of course, I've got my ice cubes, which I'm now gonna load the glass with. Can you tell I'm in a hurry? Yes, we gotta get this done in a very short amount of time. So we've got lime, we've got salt, we've got all of this in here. Now I'm gonna take this off of the plate, which is my mix. I'm gonna scoop some of that in there, just like that. One thing I do not have handy right now is a straw, which I recommend you have handy because you're going to need to stir this. Then I'm going to gently pour in the beer. You want to pour it in lightly so that it doesn't foam too much. And then once it reaches a level about like that, you're going to take a straw, not a knife like me, and you're going to stir that in. And you're going to mix it up nicely, just like that. Okay, once you have it mixed up, once the foam subsides, you're gonna add a little bit more. And this is the drink that keeps on giving. If you season it right, as you drink this down, you're gonna continue to add more and more beer. So, with that, my name is William Nairod. It's always a privilege and a pleasure to share all sorts of helpful information like how to make a michelada. I hope you enjoyed this. If you have any questions about micheladas or anything in Belize or Mexico, please hit me up at info@paradiseguy.com. With that, my name is William Nairod. I am the Paradise Guy. Let's see you down here soon and enjoy michelada. Cheers.